Welcome. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to enable recommendation email notifications on Discord web using your PC with the latest update. If you want to stay in the loop with personalized server and event suggestions from Discord, this is the setting you need. Let's get started. First, open your preferred browser and head over to the Discord website. Log in to your account if you haven't already. Once you're inside Discord, look towards the bottom left corner of your screen. Here, you'll see your profile icon and username. Right next to that, there's a gear icon. This is your user settings. Click on the gear icon to open up your settings menu. Now, a new window will pop up with a sidebar on the left. From this sidebar, scroll down until you find the section labeled Notifications. Click on Notifications to access all your notification preferences. Inside the Notifications menu, scroll down until you reach the section called Email Notifications. This is where you can control which types of emails Discord sends to your inbox. Look for the option labeled Recommendation Emails. This setting allows Discord to send you suggestions for servers, events, and other activities that match your interests. To enable these emails, simply toggle the switch next to Recommendation Emails so it turns on. Once it's enabled, you'll start receiving personalized recommendations straight to your email, making it easier to discover new communities and events on Discord. And that's it. You've successfully enabled recommendation email notifications on Discord web using your PC. This simple change ensures you never miss out on exciting new servers or events that might interest you. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more up-to-date Discord tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.